Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shorthand Master. At the beginning of my every video, I request all of you that if you have not subscribed this channel yet, please click the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Your one subscription is very important for the growth of this channel, and also you will never miss any new shorthand dictation videos. Thank you. Today I will give you dictation number 21 at 60 words per minute. So be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Sir, in view of the recommendations made by the Backward Classes Commission and Government of India examined the matter in consultation with the concerned state governments. This is exactly what we have decided and what has been incorporated in the present bill. As a result, it has been decided that in the case of Rajasthan, the area restriction should be removed altogether, because in Rajasthan this population has been spread over a very large area. It was found that they were entitled to this measure of protection, and therefore this area restriction has not been kept in respect of Rajasthan. In the case of the other two states, namely Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, where there is 25% or more of tribal population, should be specified as scheduled tribes. Sir, we should consider this point so far as the recommendations of the Backward Classes Commission is concerned. Next para. Then the other point was regarding the actual omissions or actual additions. There were a number of communities, and in respect of this there are certain difficulties also, which I shall be pointing out very soon. So far as the Backward Classes Commission's recommendation was concerned, naturally we had to depend upon the well considered views of the state governments. As I stated in the House, there was a double reference. Therefore, in this case, after the receipt of the views of the state governments, the government of India finally decide what they had prepared in the light of these views. Generally, what has been done when there has been a recommendation which is supported both by backward classes commission and the state government. For example, if there is a difference of opinion between them, then the government considered the matter. I would point out that the state governments have a number of chances of knowing the correct position as far as these are concerned. Stop. So friends, in the end, I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe this channel and practice these phrases and shortcuts to improve your shorthand speed. Thank you guys for watching this channel. See you in the next dictation video.